शहर के इलाके गच्चीबौली में वाक़ MS को एंड कन्वेंशन में डॉक्टर कौकब क्लासिक 2022 चैंपियनशिप का कामयाब इनेकाद अमल में आया। मुख्तलिफ कैटेगरीज जैसे सीनियर बॉडी बिल्डिंग, जूनियर मेंस फिजिक, सीनियर मेंस फिजिक के लिए मुनक्किद मुकाबलों में एथलीट्स, बॉडी बिल्डर्स बशमुल मर्द ख़वातीन ने हिस्सा लेते हुए शानदार मुजाहरे किए हैं। श्रीकांत टंगुटोरी ने स्ट्रेंथ लिफ्टिंग के जुमरे में सिल्वर मेडल लिया है और वो कौमी सतह पर होने वाले मुकाबलों के लिए मुंतखब भी किए गए हैं, जबकि मोहम्मद अयास को स्ट्रेंथ लिफ्टिंग में गोल्ड मेडल मिला है। डॉक्टर कौकब अजीम ने मुंतखब बॉडी बिल्डर्स और एथलीट्स को मुबारकबाद दी है। मीडिया से बात करते हुए उन्होंने इन मुकाबलों की तफसील बताई है।
Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everybody. Thanks for all the participants, bodybuilders, judges and officials for coming and making this Kaukab Classic 2022 a grand success. Thank you very much. Top bodybuilders are in action, and we had concluded our strength lifting championship. It was started from morning 8 to 9 weighing in, and then we started our performances in incline bench press, hack squat, 2 arm curls. There was fascinating performances and outstanding performances by men and women of Telangana state strength lifters. So I'd like to thank one and all. I'd like to congratulate all the families and coaches who has won the medals in Dr. Kaukab Classic. And from this, we are going to select our athletes for the coming nationals in the February going to held. And I give them best of luck, and I give best of luck to all the officials and Saqib Azim, Mr. Saqib Azim, the president of the Strength Lifting Federation, for his anonymous and really is doing a wonderful job for uplifting the strength lifting in Telangana. And now we are having junior men physique and senior men physique now. It is going just within couple of minutes is going to start. So top bodybuilders are in action, and hope the best will win inshallah today from this championship. And we hope they are going to keep practicing for the upcoming championships. And this Dr. Kaukab Classic will be for every year, and we are coming with very strong and to just encourage our bodybuilders, our athletes for the wonderful performances. And why we are doing this? To uplift the moral of our bodybuilders, athletes, and to perform well in the nationals and in the world championship. So thank you for being with us, and thanks to all the media and all the newspapers and everything for supporting us, and everybody, and our chief guest Bilaf, our Minister sir, for his wishes and his support for organizing this event. Thank you very much, and good evening. Thank you.